Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. What if you could find a connector that makes your electrical work easier and more efficient? The 4/0-250 Awg Split Bolt connector from Morris Products is a game changer. This split bolt connector is designed for copper conductors and is known for its durability and ease of use. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, making it a well-reviewed and popular choice among electricians and DIY enthusiasts. One of the key benefits of this connector is its compact and high-strength design, made from a high copper alloy. The free-running threads and easy-to-grip wrench flats make it a breeze to set up, with a smooth and satisfying click as the connector secures into place. The texture of the connector is also noteworthy, with a rugged and durable feel that can withstand the rigors of regular use. The split bolt connector is also highly resistant to season cracking and corrosion, giving you peace of mind and protecting your electrical system from damage. In real-life use cases, this connector has proven to be a reliable choice for heavy-duty applications, such as industrial electrical systems and large-scale construction projects. The ease of setup and durability of this connector make it a better choice than others on the market, saving you time and reducing the risk of electrical faults. Overall, the 4/0-250 Awg Split Bolt connector from Morris Products is a top-notch choice for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient connector. With its durable design, easy setup, and resistance to corrosion, it's an excellent addition to any electrical toolkit. If you're looking for a connector that can get the job done, look no further than this split bolt connector, and experience the difference it can make in your electrical work. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.